My name is Lori Jenkins. I'm Nikko Jenkins' mother, and I'd first like to give my prayers and condolences to the victims' families and say that I'm sorry for their losses.
That's Lori Jenkins speaking to me from the Douglas County Jail. She'll be back in court next week, but wants her story told. From the beginning, Jenkins says she put her freedom on the line to help solve the crimes. She says police even arrested her son, Nikko Jenkins, because they tapped her phone to find out where he was. But she says after she willingly interviewed with investigators, she became a target.
They threw me in their dirty laundry, and that's the truth. I'm innocent, and I don't condone any kind of violence. And I wouldn't give my son guns or bullets to kill his worst enemy, let alone innocent people.
During her trial, her cousin Christine Bordeaux, who testified in other Jenkins trials, said Lori told her to change her clothes after the Spring Lake Park murders because she might have gunpowder on them. Lori says Bordeaux is lying because she helped perpetrate the murders with Nikko. Erica Jenkins also accused Bordeaux of lying during her trial.
She just keeps lying and lying and lying, and the prosecutors know she's lying, and they keep going along with her lying.
Bordeaux admits she's an 8-time felon and has been convicted of lying in the past.
I believe that Christine is definitely telling the truth.
Her attorney Kevin Ryan says when people come forward in cases like this, sometimes their hands are dirty too, but he says she's doing it to make sure the truth is told.
And then really when it's come down to it, the most important thing is that we've had both the judge and juries in this case believe that Christine's telling the truth.
Jenkins says it's all led to her family being torn apart under the scales of justice.
The feds and state prosecutors are committing a conspiracy of corrupted injustice, of falsely accusing, wrongly convicting, falsely imprisoned innocent Jenkins girls, where there's no evidence, no DNA to back up the false statements.
Lori Jenkins is currently serving a 10-year federal prison sentence. She and her attorney have appealed the accessory convictions in state court, and that will be heard next week. Christine Bordeaux has pleaded guilty to conspiracy and an attempted felony charge, but hasn't been sentenced. Jen, Craig?
All right, Jake, good get for sure. A look at